In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us want relationships, good relationships. The relationships of heart, all of us want that. That is a human nature as well. Though we remain desperate to have the maximum amount of money, possessions. Although we want power, we want influence, we want popularity. And behind the both of these things, wealth and power, again, we want the people to respect us, to love us, to care us. That is a major motivator behind the ambitions of money, behind the ambitions of power. We want to be respected, we want to be loved and cherished, we want to be cared by the people, and especially the certain people. So, relationships are very important, very important, very important. Some of the people, some of the people, despite the fact that they are not wealthy, despite the fact that they are not influenced, but yet they are having successful relationship with some of the people. They are having successful relationships with some of the people. And if at all a person is enjoying good relationship with some of the people only, even then this is a major cause to lead a satisfied life. Even this thing is enough to lead a successful life if at all our relationship is good, if at all our relationship is based on love and care, though with a few people only and not with the maximum number of the people. Vice versa, there are people who have wealth, there are people who have popularity and influence, yet some of the people, some of their close people do not respect them, do not love them, do not care them. Although plenty of people do respect them, do take care of them, but still some of the people overtly, and not just covertly, overtly, they don't respect them, they don't care them, they don't love them. Why? Because they don't like them. Why they don't like them? Although they have money, although they have power, they influence, but yet they are not liked and respected by some of the people. The reason is that they are not good humans, maybe. The reason is that they are not genuine in, they are not loving the same people in a genuine, with the genuine emotions and genuinely. There are certain principles which I have devised and I want to share here with you about making the relationships, about developing the relationships, about the sustainable relationships. There are certain things to be taken care of. Although the books could be written on the subject, but I am only going to tell the few things, maybe two or three things, what I am going to tell, and I am not going to enlist the 20, the 15, the 13, the 11 thing. Or rather, I am going to enlist, rather, I am going to put forward only and only few things. First of all, always think positive about your relationship, about your friendship. Always, all be a very positive person. Be a positive person toward everyone else, but be an extremely positive person about the person you want to make a relationship with, about the person you want to keep and you want to develop the relationship with. You must be, we must be extremely positive. Never ever, never ever, never ever allow a negative thinking about that particular person to enter or to remain in our brain, in our mind. Always give the benefit of doubt, even if they have done something wrong. Never, always give them benefit of doubt. And if at all we become negative about someone else, we are fine. We are always looking for the bad thing being done by that particular person. Might be there might be something which could be true, but most of these are not true. Why? Because we are negative. Why? Because we are expecting bad from that person. But let me tell you that if at all we are negative, if at all we are expecting the bad thing by a person with whom we want to make and we want to continue the relationship, let me tell you that neither our relationship is going to be made. But if at all it is made, it will not continue at all, it will not survive at all, because the relationship is a very very weak one. So first of all, we must be very much positive about the person, about the people with whom we want to make the relationship, with whom about we want to develop the relationship. But if at all we are positive, but the other person is not responding positively, let me tell you that a time will arrive when the other person, when the counterpart will start thinking positive about you as well. But if at all the person with whom you want to develop the relationship wants somewhat space and don't want to get that much closer to you, it is also necessary to give them the space. But be very positive and extremely positive about this person, about these people. And then always keep an eye what they need and what they want. If even if at all they are trying to communicate in the signals, and they can't explain, they can't tell it openly, I think be very receptive for the signals the other person is trying to communicate. And then at the third stage, very next to that, immediately after that, try to fulfill it. If it is not something unethical, then try to fulfill it, then try to do it. It is as simple as this one. These are the things to be taken care of. I believe that the relationship will be made, and I believe that the relationship will be able to continue, or at least some of the people will be respecting you from the very depth of your heart. Some of the people will be loving you from the very depth of their heart, and they will be not without a not without not for any interest, not for any mundane reason, not for any material or worldly benefit. Or rather, some of the people, I'm repeatedly saying, some of the people, not every one of us, some of the people will like you, another some of the people will respect you, another some of the people will love you from the very depth of their heart. Thank you.